YouTube. This is unboxing my new Logitech m100 mouse. Sorry, the batteries on my camera were kind of jacked. They're kind of old, so I had to switch them out. Well, I had to switch them out, but the camera just died on me, so this is part 2 of it, because this is my first unboxing video, so I wanted to, kind of keep this. I didn't want to just erase it and start all over. So, here we go. As continuing, I was looking up the model number, and then, bam, the camera was basically just cut off. Excuse me. Here we go, and hope this. Alright, here we go. Here is my m100 mouse. Alright, so okay. What the heck are the specs of it? Overview. What the heck? What overview? Dude, there's no overview on this page. The hell? Sorry for the language. Alright, here we go. Specifications. Alright. Here we go. Warranty. Dude. What the? I'm sorry, people. If I cuss, I'm sorry. Just probably because I'm mad. And how many freaking DBIs does this thing have? I mean DPIs. I don't know why the heck I keep saying DBIs, but probably because it's so much easier to say DBIs instead of DPIs. But I'll figure it out. Here we go. Maybe Logitech forums can help us out. Alright, here we go. Alright, here is the true, this is a Logitech form. It even states right here, wait until it focuses. With M100, with 800, 1000, and with 1600 DPI. On official page, I see 1000 DPI. So I guess it was basically a total upgrade. So I went from 800 DPI to 800 DPI to 1000 DPI. And hold on, let me see. I just want to see this for myself. So I'm going to click the link because it's a link. I still don't see what the heck it says that. Reviews. Alright, it says best mouse for gaming. Alright. Best mouse for gaming, and these are probably from people that have it, normal sufficient mouse. So basically there's nothing negative. So I guess that is my Logitech mouse, 1000 DPIs. So I'm gonna do another setup video. This was just part 2 of an unboxing video. So I will do a setup video right after I get this done, and then upload all 3 of them. So stay cool, subscribe, comment, and I will see you with new setups, new bass videos, and possibly DJ things. But till then, peace.